Hey, good morning, YouTube. Well, I got something special for you guys. I finally got an Avon M50. And I've actually been wanting this mask for a really long time, so this is pretty awesome. But before we get into the video, a quick shout out to RAR2003 for actually showing me how to disassemble this mask, because as far as I'm aware, I think I'm like the first person, I don't know, that may be a broad assumption, but I'm the first person to do the disassembly video on the M50 on YouTube. So, I'm honored to do that, and I'll show you guys how to do it. Alright, and then, yeah, quick thanks to RAR again, and let's get started. Okay, so basically, we're just gonna strip the most basic parts of the mask first. We're gonna start with the filters, alright? You wanna go inwards towards yourself. You wanna get these two clips and unlatch them, and turn it towards yourself. Turn it and pull away from the mask. And then you got your filters, put those aside. Next, we'll get the exhale valve cover. Basically, you want to take this drinking tube out. If you notice mine, oh crap, it just came off. Well, don't do that. Hopefully that doesn't happen to your mask. But you want to unloop your drinking tube, external drinking tube. You want to turn your lever this way, and then take out your, I forgot what it was called, but yeah, that part. And then you want to get the exhale valve cover, grab it from the left side, or how I do it. And then you just pull it out and up like that. Next, we'll go to the drinking tube, internal drinking tube, my bad. And then see, since we turned that earlier, it should be close to the drinking position now. So you want to get that, you want to grab it at the base, turn it, and then like twist it until you, okay, you're turning it and bringing it up at the same time, right? So that's your internal drinking tube. We'll put that off to the side. Then we'll come back to the front. We'll get these self-sealing disc valves. You just want to get them, this is real easy to do. And then you just get it under and pull it out. Repeat for the second one. This is what it looks like on the inside, if you were wondering. The next, we have the exhale valve. And same thing. These are all pretty much the same disc, just like, you know, different rubber and thickness. And then what I do is basically, I put all my valves in order of how I took them out. So this would be the exhale valve in the middle. So I put middle top. You'll get what I'm saying in a second. And then from here, I will actually go to the, I think I'm going to remove your oral nasal cup first. Okay, basically what you want to do, how I did it was I got my hand in here, near the middle, and you see this part here. I think you can see that right there with my middle finger. You want to get under that part basically. And you can be as gentle as you want, because I was pretty gentle with it in the beginning. But it should come free. Yeah. Alright. There we go. So this is the M50 oral nasal cup with these weird side flaps. And this in the middle should be this plastic retaining ring. Alright. That's going to be what's used to seal the oral nasal cup back into place in the end. We'll put this one off to the side. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Here's the front of the nasal cup if you're wondering. And then, okay, now we have the two internal inhale valves, right? So with the M50, there's actually these plastic cover things similar to the M40 side deflectors. Basically, you're going to see these two, yeah, I think you can see it on the camera, these two prongs, one right here and one over here. What I do is get my thumb under this one, get my other thumb, and press down against the face piece with my right thumb. I would actually pry it up, but be very careful not to break it. There you go. And yeah, repeat the same process with the next one. Just inverted, or do it the same way. Well, that was easier. And then what I noticed, I'm not sure if it's different or if it's just the standard procedure, but all of these deflectors have a number on them. This one's 1, this one's 2. I use those to remember 1 is left and 2 is right. So I just like to put them back in the same way I took them out. And there we have the side deflectors out. And then we have two valves on the left and right side. You want to get those same way you got the exhale valve, and self-sealing disc. And then we put that there. You get, hold on, see if you guys can see that. This one you don't have to get in the taco shape like I always say in my videos. Yeah, because they're like a lot less thinner, I guess. But basically, what I was saying about my valves earlier, if you want to put them back in the same order, it doesn't really matter because they're all the same valves anyways. I put them like this, so when I'm putting it back, I put this one in the middle, left to left, right to right, you know. And take note, if you want to, about the numbers on them. Mine is 266, 271, and 278. If you guys were wondering. Okay. Right, next we have if you have the outserts, the polycarbonate outserts, what I do with the mask is off. Basically, you're gonna, you're gonna push this part first to give it a little bit slack. Right, and then you're gonna get the rubber flap, or the one that secures it in place. Get your thumb under there, pull it up, but don't rip it, you know. And then you can pull the outsert prong from that side. Then repeat the same thing for the other. You know, you push this one out, get some excess. You got space for your thumb. Pry this rubber secure thingy up and wiggle the outsert out. And there you have your polycarbonate outsert, clear outsert. Put that one away. And then I'm pretty sure that's almost everything. Okay, right. So the M50 harness is a little bit different from the other, my other masks in my collection. But it's really similar to the Avon FM12, especially with this buckle and this buckle. Okay, so these three are the exact same as these three. So I'll only be showing you on the on one side, so I don't, you know, waste my time and your time, because time is precious. So this is the cheek strap, right? We're gonna use this one. We're gonna push it through, get some excess, and then you want to feed one side. So you'll turn it like this. You'll feed one side through it, and then you wiggle it. It should come out easy. And yep, there you go. And then for this one, this is the I forgot what it's called, brow. I think it's, yeah, this is the brow strap. It's like the FM12 door. You want to unlatch that padlock, put some slack, or hold on. You want to hold this, put some slack head harness through, and then turn it and get one side over first. Oh yeah, that was easier than the other. Right. And then you have these top temple straps, which are some sort of Velcro or hook and loop, whatever you want to call it. Let's get that out of the way. Sorry about that. Okay, and then you want to take these out, which is the part of the skull cap. Right, so then now you have the strap free. This one's a little bit different, or maybe it's just weird to me. But yeah, you want to, same process for getting the strap out as the other ones. Just be careful, because this temple strap feels a lot thinner than the other ones, which is kind of weird to me. But yeah, well, there you go. You got the head harness out if you get these ones, and yeah, I'm pretty sure that's everything. Yeah, that's the most basic disassembly I can do without, you know, damaging the mask and taking out the you know, the actual plastic valve assemblies. And yeah, that's pretty much a basic disassembly of your Avon M50 mask. And in this next clip, if I have time, I'll show you guys how to reassemble it.